Damn it, I'm dead.
Stop playing dead, Zach.
Shh, I'm keeping the lever in local.
Teabagging.
Yes! Congratulations, you got
And welcome back to Use Guys.
Yep,
We're just
hello.
having far too much fun, so this is another episode of Stick Fight with our guest, Zach.
Hello.
Hello. I'm stuck. I wasted my own petard.
Yeah!
Oh, you lucky bastard!
I did it! I did it by sheer dumb luck! Fuck, this game is just pure love.
Yeah. And hate. But it's like the right kind of hate. Oh, you...
Oh,
It was like a slinky.
Oh, damn it! It revealed the
Horrible,
location.
horrible slinky.
I threw my gun. Wait, there's a gun. I have a gun. I have another gun. Oh shit. There's one more gun.
Blocked.
Zach, just give this to me. I need this.
No, you don't.
Get the snake gun.
My mother, she's sleeping right now. She needs me. She said I need to win this for the family's honor. I got my own stakes. I grabbed the wrong gun.
She sent those snakes for you, Reed.
Oh no!
My snake charming was weak that day.
No.
Died. Stop trying to hide, you guys! Come on! Just so you guys hide, be very, very quiet. Hunting dummies.
I mean, it worked to an extent.
It's called camouflage.
Oh, no!
Oh gosh!
Ow, bitch. Killed me.
And you're dead.
Holy balls. Good job.
Ah, bitch.
Oh, uppercut!
Nice.
Sure you can.
Yeah. Ow.
Get away.
Timber.
Oh no. Shit, you killed me. Zach, you suck.
Oh, bitch. Oh,
Nice.
Executed.
I was crawling for my life. And you said nay.
Nay, I say. Okay. Cool.
Hey,
It's not a game of tag.
Bitch.
And we all died together. We all
Oh, fuck.
Yeah,
Wow.
best color.
Nice.
You guys like the walls, huh?
Don't come after me. I'm a friend. Reed's everybody's friend.
God damn it. It slipped right through them. Slipped right through my fingers.
Hey, look, you're online, Zach.
Wow,
Huzzah!
This is man.
Our fish downloading.
sweet. Yep.
Nice.
Grunts.
I think I'm dead. Jesus.
Oh, and I'm dead.
Wow.
What killed you?
No idea.
Well, I know I shot the snakes at you, but...
Bye, y'all.
Nope, nope, nope.
Woo! Oh, bitch. You're all bitches.
No.
Only bitches kick.
I said goodbye, y'all.
Yeah! Shit!
God damn it.
Oh. I think Zach's finally got it down.
We all died together. Nope.
Fucking man.
Nope. Nope. Yep. Oh, damn.
You just kept running forward. It's like, by
I didn't really have a lot of other options.
Yeah. You know you have a block, right? It can
Yeah,
deflect
I
some bullets.
Wait, let's get the harder target. No, I'm serious. Let's get the harder target.
Oh, he's pushing it that way. I'll push this way.
Down we go.
Damn.
Oh, God.
Shoot me again, Reed. Go on.
Aim down.
Bye.
Yeah. Fuck. I tried to aim down, like, but
Oh, God.
like, that was dumb.
No.
Whatever you want to do. Here, I'll move behind this.
Bye.
Oh, no.
Nice. Good job.
I didn't even get a gun at that one. We need one more so we can make it even.
Yeah.
Minigun.
Walk that noise. Jesus, you're a fucking master.
Fucking savant. God damn it.
Can I say I played a lot of FPSs?
Yeah.
But fighting games, I'm shit.
That's supposed to be your game, Reed. Damn it.
Fighting games?
Yeah.
That is my thing, but we don't play any fighting games.
We're playing a
This is a fighting game right now.
No, a
It's
real
just very
fighting
limited.
game.
This is the most real fighting
Like Guilty
game.
Gear or something like that.
Yeah, a real fighting game.
Guilty Gear doesn't even compare to this game.
Oh, eat a fat chode.
Guilty Gear wishes it could be this game.
Yeah, that's
Right in the
true. Oh, right
butt.
in my butt. What's
I'm
that?
still dead? Oh no, okay.
Oh, bitch. Shit. Didn't rotate.
Yeah, I'm covered in the goo. Oh no!
Wow.
Oh damn.
Oh, shit.
Second chance. Third
Nice.
chance. Oh god! Think he'll kill himself?
Maybe? That's not one way to find out. Shit. Oh, I died.
Come on, shoot. Damn it.
I mean, you did shoot, but you also ran into the wall. Oh! Toss at him, Zach.
Ah! Tried so
Not quite what you asked for, Zach, but hopefully you're satisfied.
You did. Bro, you guys took me out so fast.
Riggedy rack.
Holy shit!
Dude, he's on a roll right now.
He
Yes.
Fuck.
Oh god!
God damn.
Oh, what's going on with
fucking
these? What's going on with these platforms?
Man, this is like your round.
Holy shit! Bruh! Zach is a,
Oh my
Zach
God.
is a genius now! Where did all this come from?
Because we've been attacking each other for so long.
Yeah.
Oh god!
I know all your weakness. I know all your weaknesses now. Yes.
Holy... There's something
Oh, he
wrong.
calculated everything.
I know your moves.
He went like a... he went like a beautiful... Okay, never mind. But he went like a beautiful mind on
Okay,
us.
no, that was random. Right there.
Yes.
No, that was...
that was you.
that was him.
Oh, fine. I guess I'll allow it.
Sure, yes, we'll allow it. Oh god, what an honor.
The weakest player is now the strongest.
For real, right? I can use a better gun.
Like this one? Oops.
Oh, you mentioned that.
Tally-ho!
Ooh, gun. Oh, doesn't matter now.
Ah!
Ow, shit. Shit.
Victory.
Oh, you hit me so hard, my freaking ass came out of my mouth.
Oh, I thought that was just a condition of your being.
Ow, 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 stop!
There you go. That's what you get for talking shit, Zach.
Alright, Zach. Yeah, teamwork, you and me first reading.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Woo!
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, nice throw.
Fuck yeah!
Wow. Dead on
that
headshot. Well done.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Fucking nice.
Wow, you just one-shotted me, dude.
Yeah.
Fuck. Nice.
An eye for an eye.
Yeah.
Which is probably where you shot me.
Yeah, I mean, come on, which one was the cooler kill, though?
Mine, that's true. Spears.
Red, you need to dethrone Blue. Blue's got too cocky for some bridges.
Oh god!
Not this day.
Not today.
What? Ugh.
Go easy on Yellow.
All of
everybody.
my kills.
Yellow's doing terrible.
You
Yeah.
can do better than 13 kills.
I don't know. It all depends.
Well, I'm already dead.
Yeah.
The frick ready to have fallen out 8 times.
Fuck.
Nice.
Deflected.
Dude, I'm doing terrible this game. And I'm okay with it. I got tired of winning those other games against Zach.
Oh damn it!
You can't see me.
I mean,
the
we're
bullets can.
Zach, you're so one-toed. I know what you do. Fuck. Holy sh! Fuck! How you killed me.
Ah!
Yeah!
Oh god.
Black hole side.
Oh god.
Enjoy, everyone.
Yoo-hoo! Karate kick!
Well, at least I know.
Oh.
I don't even know what to say to that one.
Mayhaps I grew overzealous.
A chance. Oh, bitch.
Fuck.
Oh,
Damn.
same hole.
Holy shit.
Why? Damn it! That's not fair.
Oh god, he just threw the body at me.
Did you get aim with the stick? You don't need a. Yeah, you can use the right trigger. Yeah. Fire
No,
over
no,
the-
I know that, but it's still difficult. So get the right shot. I got stuck. I couldn't jump
Yeah.
down.
And then I used the sticky to slow it to change the
No, yeah,
direction.
that's what happened. I tried to jump, and I'm like, oh no, I got stuck, and I saw the freaking.
No wonder you're such
ball.
a fucking savant with a gun, Zach. You're a cheater. You're not allowed to use like actual technique and skill to win these games. You're supposed to just push the button and hope for the best.
Like this? Okay.
Yeah, Zach, how's that been
Victorious.
treating you? You won this game, but I mean, how has it been treating you overall?
Overall, it's been treating me pretty good.
Fuck.
Okay. Okay. Oops.
Yeah, boy.
I'm
No,
dead.
no.
Okay. Oh shit! Ow! 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 That really hurts. Stop it! Stop it!
No, you stop it.
Oh, you stop it! You're not
I'm already
nice.
dead.
Ah, shit! Zach sat on me.
Ah.
Oh gosh.
Yes, you two idiots fight each other and I'll come out victorious.
Oops, and I'm dead.
Woo! I don't remember firing a bullet that way.
Ow. Oh god.
Woo!
He has a shotgun! No! 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 Leave me alone!
That sounds like a you problem right now.
No! Stop it! Ah! No, we're friends!
Hey, that was my rock. How dare you? Oh, God.
Ah, bitch. Sword.
Oh shit.
Oh, God.
Oh jeez.
It's 2 hits, yeah.
Sword.
Shotgun!
I like how you stop and like, oh, he's not following me. Maybe I have a chance. And I realize, oh god, I'm an idiot.
I am just not doing anything right now.
It's okay. I appreciate.
Hashtag appreciation. Oh. Oops. Probably should have stopped right there.
It's okay.
Might have been a mistake.
Nice. Oh,
Nope.
I'm like starting to like mods.
So I like that. With, oops.
Oh shit! I forgot the laser did that. Oh. Oh,
It evaporated. Though.
mistakes were made.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit. Oh god, please don't put a gun on Zacks' side.
Spear.
Oh god. Guns were put on Zacks' side.
Oh,
Oh fuck.
Ooh, headshot.
Ooh, headshot indeed.
He controls the world.
Oh, I'm actually dead. Well.
No,
Got an
no sperm
icy
gun for
tune.
you. No sperm gun for you. Punch.
Oh!
No. Nope. Oh, you killed me.
Good luck, Zach.
I hope you don't make it.
I will push it up with sheer force.
Oh, I'm an idiot.
Now Zach can take his sweet time.
No, that was supposed to be me.
You had the easiest win.
I know, and I pushed the wrong button. I didn't know the bumper throws it. Oh no! Oh
God!
Just that was at safety too. Jeez, no mercy.
I mean, like, why? Why should I?
Oh God!
Oh god.
Oh headshot. No, you can't use that gun. No, stop using it. Ow! 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 Are you stuck in the wall?
I am stuck in the wall.
Oh god.
No.
No. No.
Oh, I'm dead.
No. Oh.
Wabbit season. Duck season. Wabbit season.
Fuck. Oh. Oh. Oh no. No.
Get him, snakes. Get him. Oh no!
Oh god, my body.
Oh
Bye-bye.
no! I lost all momentum.
Oh, that's crazy. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oops.
Shit, he just freaking rained.
Flamethrower.
Just rained
That
hell-
stick
hell
was
on
on
us.
fire.
Fire.
That stick was on fire.
Oh dang it!
I just saw you sitting on the small island. I'm like, no, you know, I can't let this happen.
No, the sword.
Fuck.
gone. No.
Oh, it got me. Good.
No.
Nice. Where are you? Oh, I see.
I'm still alive.
I see.
I'm still alive.
He's
I'm
crawling.
still alive. I'm still alive. I'm still alive.
I'm still alive.
I'm still alive.
Oh, he made it.
I made it. I
Oh,
survived.
fuck yeah,
I
dude.
survived.
Oh, I'm surprised.
Yeah, me too. Oh god.
The survivor. Holy shit! Look at him go.
Oh god!
I'm still alive. I'm still alive.
Oh, nice. Holy shit! That was gold.
The underdog story. Oh.
How we survived an
I'm still
avalanche.
alive. I'm still alive.
Why?
Like, who are you trying to convince, Zach? Nobody believes you. I'm still alive.
Oh no! Oh no!
Jeez, I think this is it.
Yeah.
Oh god. You know what? No matter what happens, I'm pretty sure Zach wins this. It's just for that avalanche. Just for that avalanche win. Like, my god.
That's definitely going in the highlight reel.
Yeah.
No!
Oh,
Damn.
hide.
Yes!
What do we have?
finally, somebody else.
41
I
kills.
did it. Fuck you. Piece of shit. Go get
Yeah,
him,
that's fine.
bro. You know what?
Watch you guys survive the avalanche and then win.
Blue has like literally fallen out 16 times.
For like rollsies?
Yeah.
Yay! Yellow's in the yay!
Yellow's in the yay, boy. Wait, he's the gun. Cool, whatever.
You told me to use it. Oh, it killed the snake. Can survive an avalanche and survive a
every-
freaking laser.
Were you trying to make the thing like shake?
Yeah.
Oh.
No. 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 Let me live. Ah.
Oh my god, that was so fucking close. Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit, oh shit, sure.
Oh. Damn it. Damn it.
Damn it, Stan. Oh no. Oh, oh god. Ah, you still killed me though, nice.
I pushed you through.
It's fine.
Oh.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, you shot him.
Shot him.
You shot him in the knee. The back of the knee. That's my knee, yo.
That's my knee. My leg.
You stupid evolved prick.
Why is
Zach,
that?
use the laser.
Oh,
Aim with the stick.
fuck you.
And
I'm
then
trying. I'm trying.
use the right stick. Yeah.
I'm trying, but I can't.
Oh,
I
yeah.
can't with the wall in the way.
Okay, move back and then fire.
Oh, please don't. Just let it happen.
This is your last chance.
Let it happen. Just let it happen.
No.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. You have to move back and fire for that one.
It's like you see the trailer happening, and then
What
it's just
the
like,
fuck?
Like guns.
oh god.
No, 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 no.
Oh gosh.
Come on, Zach. We're friends. Dun, 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 dun. I didn't fucking care anymore. I didn't care. Get the lightsaber.
Oh,
I don't fucking give a shit. Kill me with the lightsaber. I don't fucking care anymore.
Oh, damn.
Oh wait, how'd you lose with the lightsaber?
I
he,
don't fucking care.
he swooped down on me. Oh god. Were you doing like the? Were you doing the Jurassic Park theme? Is that
Yeah.
what you were doing?
A little bit. Yeah.
Oh god.
Did it get more epic than that, right?
You're standing over me, slowly, slowly everything done.
And it doesn't even.
Oh, why?
It doesn't even matter that like this game is like it just keeps repeating the same levels after a while.
Yeah,
It's just fucking, like
it's so much fun.
It's mindless slaughter.
Yeah.
And it's only fun when I win.
I mean, even if you lose, it's still entertaining.
Oh no!
Fuck! Oh, I think you
Knife,
got. Oh, you got the knife.
knife.
Shit, Zach got the
No, I didn't get the
Zach
knife.
had the knife. Oh, shit,
Yes.
nice. You got me.
Real nice read is what it said. I don't know if you caught that.
Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. You're right. You're right. I gotta say it right.
Woo! Blocked!
Who brings a sword to a knife fight?
Ah, smashed. Oh, bombs.
And I'm already dead.
I don't think the snakes are necessary. I don't think the snakes are necessary, Zach. I don't think the snakes are necessary.
Oh, damn it!
Shit.
Snakes are always necessary.
The snakes don't. The snakes betrayed me.
Oh. Bush! Too strong!
You gotta ask yourself, how many bullets did I shoot?
Doesn't
Is
matter.
that 5 or 6?
Doesn't matter. I have your gun. Shit! I just lost because I thought.
Ah, you didn't die, you bitch. God damn it.
Oh, you thought that was
You
dead?
guys are so terrible. I'm gonna play that shit. Like, come on. I don't even know. I think I'm dead. Oh no, I'm alive.
You're in the.
Oh,
Oh, well, I don't know
Well,
what happened
doesn't
there.
matter.
Well,
Zach decides to hide in the barrel again and we'll save him. It did it.
That's where they came out of.
no. Oh, I'm dead.
Just watch him feast on you. Come gun. Oh god, come gun.
Wow.
No. I snaked my way to victory on that one.
Nope. Nope. Not this day. Bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye, Zach. Shit.
More bullets.
Ow. There's no gun over here. Zach, just give me the win.
No!
Just give me the win.
You're gonna have to earn it, Reed.
Ow, fuck. Damn it. Good job.
You
Nice
capped.
one. Yeah, capped.
Stay there. Stay hidden. I got you!
Operation Human Shield! Fuck you!
Oh god.
Oh god!
See what happens?
It was worth it.
Thank you. I need a new gun anyways. Zach's all lost cause.
There was like no way.
There was like no way. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Don't. I mean, just
Just so.
don't. What did I say about don't? It was like don't.
It's like, no. Okay.
I'm dead! Jesus!
Still doesn't mean I don't want to shoot you. Hey Reed, you can finally play this level.
I can finally play this level! Yeah!
Is it because you didn't die immediately this time?
Yeah, I got stuck behind the fucking lava. Oh, jeez.
Oh, damn. I don't know how that
And
happened.
I helped.
We were so focused on killing one another, but the real enemy.
Oh, Zach.
Oh, none of that.
Oops, oops, oops. That's all I wanted. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh gosh.
Oops. And I'm dead. Oh, it's the nacho gun.
I got
it shoots
killed by
nacho
another
chips.
weapon.
Really?
Yeah, I saw the spike head straight for my face. I'm like,
Oh,
oh.
I died. Ow, 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 fuck it.
Oh, you did. Oh, never mind. Okay, sorry.
I did the thing.
He did it.
Lava, why? You betrayed me. I'm your color.
Oops.
You don't need that. Shit.
Finally, he did.
Yeah.
Whipped it at his face.
Good. Oh.
We're friends.
Sticky gun.
I'm dead, Reed, to the water.
You can tell.
I got sticky by my Oh, nope, nope. On guard!
Oh gosh!
I touched the snacks.
Good job, Twinkle Toes.
Thank you. Graceful, elegant, like the ballerina. Now it's my turn to hang up on top.
I'm king of the hill. No, no, no. Leave me alone.
Look, guys, look how high I can jump.
Whee!
You don't want that gun.
No. I didn't mean to fall through that. Jade.
Oh god! Ow! 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 Me so on fire! Me so on fire!
I'm feeling
hot. Ow! Oh no!
Snakes!
No!
Do my work! Yes, get him! Bring him into the lava!
Damn it!
Snakes from the meat.
I'll see you in hell!
The snakes are hungry.
Oh god!
No. Woo.
So where are we at?
I think that's a good time to wrap up this episode.
Yeah.
Is it?
Thanks everyone for watching.
Wait.
Please like, share, comment, and
I can see
subscribe.
Reed won this one! Yay!
Reed wins. Congratulations. No one else has fewer kills than me, so I win. 19 times. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on TikTok and Instagram at the same name, and we will see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Oh god.
Bye.
I love this game.
It's the best.
Taking all the guns. There's still 84 so far.